All right, we're back again. So we've already created an AI-driven bar menu with 3 appetizers, and it gave us 4 drinks in the bar, and we deleted all 4 of those drinks, and we added the beer and the wine there. So that's the menu that's going to be served in the bar. Now those drinks will be prepared in the bar too, even though we're gonna have a main dining room. So let's go and create a new menu, and we're gonna call this dinner menu.
Okay, and as I mentioned earlier, we're not going to use this black rectangle area that says let's finish importing your menu because we don't want AI to help us this time. We're gonna create our own menu. So we're gonna go here to the left where it says items and menus. I'm gonna click on that, click on menus. There's our bar menu we already created, but now we're gonna click on create a menu. Okay, you have to scroll down a bit to create your menu manually. Okay, we're going to click on that. So we're going to name it, as Bill said, dinner menu. Next, it's going to be at Queen Bar and Grill. Next, and add menu groups. So menu groups help keep your items organized. So we're going to add our groups here, Bill. So,
Okay, good.
So our first group we talked about is going to be appetizers.
Right.
I'm just going to type that in. And then our second group is going to be salads.
Salads, right.
Our third group is going to be entrees.
I'm getting hungry.
And then we're going to add a menu group. You can add as many as you want, I believe. It's going to be desserts. Okay, and we're going to save this. Okay, and now we are going to start adding things. All right.
And we're just going to add a few items to each of these groups here, and we'll create modifiers for them.
Okay, so I clicked on appetizers. It's empty. We're going to add items. We're going to add them individually. Or it does give us the option for existing categories. So, but we're going to add things manually, individually, I mean. All right, so here's what we have in previous, if we wanted to add those up, but we're going to create new items. Okay, first item we're going to have under our apps is calamari, fried calamari.
Yeah, these appetizers are only available in the dining room, and the bar appetizers are only available in the bar.
All right, and the price for this, we're not going to have any variations on the price. We're just going to call this $10 for the fried calamari. We are going to add modifiers later to it. So we're going to tell it, and we can also add our second item here. And we're going to have hummus with grilled pita. Right, Bill?
Yes. No, I'm really hungry.
And we're going to charge $12 for that.
Yeah.
Okay, so those are the only apps we're going to add right now. So we're going to create those items. All right, so they are done. And there's the 2 items we created. Now they have no modifiers. The calamari does not need any modifiers. No, they do, excuse me, the dipping sauce. That's where we're going to put the modifiers on. All right, we're going to create a new modifier set. Call it dipping sauce. And we're going to have 2 possibilities. We're going to have marinara and garlic butter. And there's not going to be any upcharges for these, correct, Bill?
That's correct.
All right, that's it. So we're going to save them. Add dipping sauce. Now we have to tell it where to add the dipping sauce. So we don't want to add it to all the appetizers. We only want it to go to the fried calamari. Click on that and we're done. Okay, and the hummus with grilled pita does not need a modifier. Is that correct, Bill?
That's correct.
Okay, now we're going to add salads. Okay, there's, it says it's empty.
Yeah, this gets a little more complicated.
All right, we are gonna create new items. All right, let me pull that up. Okay, and what we're gonna have is a chef salad and a garden salad. Chef salad, we are charging $5. I guess, are we gonna, Bill, are we gonna price these individually under the modifiers? All right,
Yeah, let's price them individually under the modifiers. Yep, please.
or I believe actually we're because we are gonna have add-ons to these things.
Well, because we're going to have the two different sizes, so each of those sizes will be different priced.
Okay, so we'll wait to put the price on there.
And then we're going to have the proteins you can add, and each of those will have an add-on price too.
Right. So we'll save the price for later on those.
Yes.
Okay, so we have, and that's all, we're done with that. Wait a minute. I don't know, did I not hit save? It didn't show up. Okay. Add the items. Oops, I'm sorry. There it is. Okay, I forgot to add them to the salad. There it is. Important step.
Oh, you forgot to add them to the group.
To the group, yes.
Okay, good.
Okay, but now that was an easy fix. Okay,
But it was also a good example of something that people need to do, so that was great.
okay. So our modifiers on the salads are going to be the salad size, the protein that our people can add, and the salad dressing. So let's collect modifiers. We're going to create new modifier here. Or actually we have, no, because we don't want, there's a protein choice from the appetizer. We don't want ground beef, shredded chicken, or vegetarian on our salad.
Yeah.
So it's we have to call it something different besides
salad protein.
Salad protein. That's right. Okay. Create a new modifier. Salad protein.
I think you wanted to create the size first, honestly.
Okay.
Because in the way that people would put this in the order,
okay,
they would put the size in first.
All right. No problem. All righty. So the modifiers on the size are just going to be regular and large.
Correct. And those will have two different prices.
Okay. The price for the regular salad, Bill?
What did we set? Do you remember?
$5.
$5 for regular salad, yeah.
Or actually, we didn't, if we're including our salad, if we're including the salad with the dinner, then I think we actually had let as 0. But do you want to leave it at 0?
Let's make everything a la carte for right now.
Okay.
We'll later on show people how to group stuff that goes with a.
And yeah, and make that $5 as well.
Yes, please.
Let's see.
And then the large, what did we say? 10 for the large or 8 for the large? I think we said 8 for the large.
Well, now, hold on one second. So we have the salad, the garden salad, and the chef salad, and we've only done the salad size. Actually, I have to go back and change that. Because I made it
Yeah, because we're not putting any price
Oh, I'm
on.
sorry. I'm sorry. I made a mistake. Okay, we're gonna fix this now because I have regular and then I have chef salad. I meant to put regular and large.
Okay, there you
That's okay. Again, another mistake showing people how we can fix a mistake.
go. And we talked about doing this ahead of time. This was all planned.
Okay. All right, so now this looks better. All right. So we have successfully saved our,
And you made made the regular salad $5 and the large salad $8.
I believe so. Let's see. Yep. And that is on both the chef salad and the garden salad.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. So going back to our salads, we want to add some more modifiers, correct, Bill?
Yes.
So I'm going to click over here where it says,
Let me
add
just say something. So you might be asking yourself, well, what's the difference between the chef salad and the garden salad? But we just name them though, that you could, one of these could be a garden salad. One of them could be roasted beet and goat cheese salad, that kind of stuff. But we're just, we might change these later on as we modify or as we improve our menu, but that we just wanted to do two different salads here. So
okay. So now we're talking about the salad proteins. Now that's where we're going to go add that on there. So we don't want to, we have to create a new modifier for that. And we're going to call it salad protein.
yes. Mm-hmm.
All right. And we're going to give the choices of chicken, shrimp, or salmon. The chicken, we're going to charge $6 for, the shrimp $9, and the salmon $9.
Okay, good. Because we're given the same portion of shrimp, chicken, and salmon. Now, if you were giving different portion sizes, you would separate that out. But like if a small salad or regular salad that got less shrimp or whatever, you would have to modify that. But we're not going to worry about that.
Okay. We are done with that.
Let's make a change because I'm not liking this chef salad and garden salad name here.
How about chef salad and Caesar salad?
Well, then we wouldn't have choices of dressing on the Caesar, would we?
I don't know. All right, let me just first, before we make any changes, Bill, I'm going to add the salad protein to all my salad
Yeah,
choices. Okay, the garden salad and the chef salad. So let me just do that first. Okay, so you would like to change the name of the chef salad, you're saying?
Yeah, let's call that a salad du jour.
Okay, I think that would be edit item details.
Yeah, so that could be a goat cheese salad one day, a spring salad the next, whatever.
Leave it spelt that way. Okay. Save. There it is.
Okay, good, good. I like that better.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So our modifiers in the salad, we have salad size, salad protein, and now we also want to add another modifier for dressing.
Yes.
So we're going to edit the modifiers. We're going to create a new modifier for dressing. Call it salad dressing. So it's very easy to go back and make changes if you like. All right, and we're going to
On the salad dressing on the salad du jour. Uh, let's make a category called recommended. Okay, because in a salad du jour, you might have like a special dressing that day for the salad du jour that would really go with it. And
So
so
we're only going to add that to the salad du jour?
element of salad du jour, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So maybe for a salad du jour, you have a special dressing that day called you're having some kind of spring fruit salad or something like that, and you have a strawberry vinaigrette. Well, that could change all the time, but that's going to be our recommended dressing for that day.
All right. So I have a modifier called recommended dressing. We're not going to make any upcharge to that, correct?
No.
So I'm going to save it.
So it'll just be a choice on the dressing.
Oh, okay. I understand.
Yeah, called recommended.
Okay. So it'll still be in the modifier set of salad dressing.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
All right.
And see, these are the kinds of things as we're building this menu, and then that's the whole purpose of learning how to build a point of sale system here, is because you're anticipating how this is going to be used, and it makes it a really valuable tool to learn how to set these things up, because it's this pathway that people create in the ordering that makes all the difference in how efficient your restaurant's going to be.
All right. I'm going to add a few other dressings. We'll do blue cheese.
Sure.
I'm going to have a little upcharge for the blue cheese. Many
Oh,
restaurants have that.
yeah, chunky blue cheese. You got an upcharge for that. Yeah.
All right. I better put chunky on there. Make it a buck upcharge, Bill?
Oh, I would say, yeah. Can't be cheap blue cheese.
All right. All right. And then we're also going to add Italian. And you can add as many as you want.
Yeah, yeah. Sky's the limit.
No upcharge for that. Okay, so I'm going to save this. And remember, after you save a modifier, you have to say where do you want to have it. And we're going to put it on all the salads. Okay, it says it's been applied, that they have applied it for 2 items, excuse me. So there we go. We can see under our guide, we have a garden salad and our salad du jour. Modifiers in each one are salad size, salad protein, and salad dressing.
Yeah. Now, for example, here, if you were going to add a Caesar salad, and now you have this recommended category there, that would work as a modifier for it as well, for the Caesar salad as well. In other words, the Caesar salad comes with the Caesar dressing, but somebody might want something different instead.
Okay, so here's where you'd add additional items to the salad.
Yeah.
Okay, so are you ready to move on to entrees?
I'm always ready to move on.
All right.
I was born to move on.
Okay, again, we're going to create new items here. All right, let me just pull up that list. All right, we're going to make it kind of simple. We're going to do chicken, filet mignon, and mahi-mahi.
Now, on the menu itself, these would have descriptions and everything like that, but we don't need all those descriptions on the point of sale system that our servers are using.
Right, so we're going to charge $16 for the chicken.
Nice.
And we're going to add on our filet mignon. Whoops. And we're going to charge $25 for that. And we're going to add on our mahi-mahi fish. And the mahi, we're going to charge $20 for. Okay, and then we're going to create the items. All right, that's it for the items. Oh, jeepers, I forgot to add them to did the same thing. I forgot to add them to the group. Okay.
again, this is our plan.
So there's my chicken. It did give me that option right away to add the item, but I ignored it. There's our chicken, there's our filet mignon. And it's alphabetical, so that's helpful. There's my mahi. Let's see if I remember to do it when we get to desserts. Okay, so there we go. So there's our chicken, there's our filet, there's our mahi, $16, 25 and 20. All right, so we have to do our modifiers. So the modifiers we are going to do for our entrees are the fish or chicken prep and the temperature for the beef. Now here's an interesting thing. We already have a temperature one there that I believe was put up there by our AI creation. So Bill, the temperature is rare, medium, well, and well done. Do you want to choose that one?
And so rare, medium,
Medium and well done.
medium, and well done.
So I can click on that and it's going to.
Yeah, I mean, that's fine.
Oh, that's actually for the chicken. It's saying add modifiers to chicken. Okay.
Oh yeah, we don't
want that on the
we don't want to
chicken.
add temperature to the chicken. We want
So we'll go back. We're going to create a new modifier.
we're not going to serve rare chicken.
Okay, so this is called fish chicken prep.
Okay.
All right. All right. And the modifiers for the fish and chicken prep are grilled, fried, and blackened.
Yeah.
And we don't charge any extra for that, for those modifiers.
Mhm. And we don't offer that. You know, all the steaks are grilled, so we're not going to take a nice piece of filet mignon and fry it.
Okay, so we are going to save these. It says add fish chick prep to your menu items. And now it's going to ask me which items I'm going to add that to. It's asking me, is it an appetizer? Is it a salad? Is it an entree? It is an entree. So I'm going to click down on that. We're going to say add that to the chicken and add that to the mahi.
Very nice.
And then we'll click on done. Okay, so we see that added to the mahi and to the chicken. All right, now we need to add our modifier to the filet. And this is where we can click on that temperature modifier. We don't need to make a new one because there's one here already. Done.
And can we add items to that?
Well, I've added it already. You mean you want to?
For that modifier, can we?
Well, let's see.
Can we edit that modifier?
Yeah, we can add more. You want to add a new modifier to that, Bill?
Or just edit the modifier, the temperature modifier.
Yeah, you want to add a new one in there.
Yes.
That's called editing the modifier set.
Yeah, I want to edit. Yeah, that's okay. Good. Thanks. I want to edit that modifier set.
Okay, I clicked on that. So what would you like to make that?
So I'm going to make a little more nuance. So we have rare,
medium, and well done.
I would do medium well in there too.
All right.
And then I would add one called B and B, the ampersand there. And B and B is black and blue. Some people call it Pittsburgh rare, where the steak is really cooked on the outside and very rare on the inside,
Okay.
which is how I like it. Yeah.
All right. So we have rare, medium, well done, medium well, and B and B. And yes. I think, yeah. All right. So we're going to save that.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. For some reason it went back to my bar menu. That's not what I want. I want my dinner menu. So I'll just open that back up again. And there it is. We've got our temperature.
Great,
Okay.
great.
All right. I believe we are set with the
entrees?
entrees and time for dessert.
Okay.
All right. And we're going to go kind of simple on the dessert. We're going to just do a cake and a pie, but different types of cake and pie. So we're going to add those on there individually. All right. We're going to create new items. We're going to have cake. And we're going to charge, I believe we're going to just charge one price for the cake, but we
Yeah.
maybe variable for the pie. Yeah, I think that's
Yeah, I think variable for the pie, yeah.
Okay, so we'll charge $5 a slice for the cake.
Yes.
And then we're going to also add pie. And we're not going to put the price in there because that's going to be variable.
Correct.
Create the items. Okay, and we're going to add them. This is where I made my mistake last time. I have to add the cake and the pie. Look, they're already checked for me. Just hit done. And there they are.
Good.
So that's now the cake we're going to modify. Our modifiers on the cake are the type of cake. So we're going to say cake type. Oh, I'm sorry. I create a new modifier, cake type. And we're going to just make it simple. We're going to make a chocolate cake, coconut cake, maybe a marble cake. You have a preference, Bill?
Whatever you like to put up there. I don't eat cake. So.
Okay, we'll do a chocolate cake. And you can type in the kitchen name too. I'm not going to do that right now, but.
Oh, yeah, let's mention that. That kitchen
What?
name.
Okay. So.
Yeah, because it's sometimes in the if you're sending things to the kitchen, have a different name than you would be using out there in the front to refer to it. And there could be different things for that. For example, you look at those the salads back up there where we had the proteins for the salad. So there's going to be, obviously, if we put out our whole menu there, like for example, there's chicken as a protein add-on to the salad, but then we also have a chicken dish, right, Ginny?
Yes.
Yeah, it's called 16 for $16.
Yes.
So you would want when you click on that, you'd want that to go when it goes to the kitchen. You'd want them to let them know whether are they preparing a chicken add-on to a salad, or are they preparing the chicken entree? So that's where you would have a different kitchen name. We might go back in and put some of those in later on.
Okay. So I have for now made a chocolate cake, a coconut cake, and a carrot cake.
Perfect.
Okay, so we're going to save those. And where do I want that to go? It's asking me. I want that to go into my desserts. Okay, so I made a mistake on that one. That actually went into my pie as well. So I don't want that. I should have clicked on just cake. So we're going to remove that modifier. We're going to delete that. Let me see. And we're just going to change this to pie type because I had already had that in there. Let's just see what happens here.
Okay.
Again, making a mistake, showing you how you can correct it.
And that's the best way to learn.
All right, you know what? I'm not sure. I don't think this is what I want to do. Let me just go back. Don't discard changes. All right, so there you can see I made a mistake and I've put cake type under that. So let's see what I can do here. Edit the modifiers. Okay, what I'm gonna do is add or remove modifiers from pie. Okay, there we go. Add or remove modifiers from pie. Cake type, we're gonna remove cake type from pie. Select it here.
And Pie Day was just a couple days ago on Friday.
It was.
We're doing
It
this on a
was.
Sunday.
Not sure why it's not letting me. Let me uncheck it. Let me check cake type. Bill, I'm a little bit stumped. It says add or remove modifiers from pie, search for modifiers or select from the list below.
Well, can you just delete
one
the
is-
modifier for Pie for right now?
That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to delete the cake type from pie. I'm having a little, I'm a little stuck. But you know what? Why don't we just go back and fix that later? Because it says add or remove modifiers from pie cake type. Yeah, I'm going to remove that. I have that clicked. Let's try this. Done. Updated modifiers for pie. It worked. Yay.
All right, there we go.
All right. Sorry about that.
No problem.
All right. So let's do our pie modifiers.
Okay.
Sorry about that. All right. We're going to create a new modifier and we're going to call it pie modifiers. Pie type. Now, usually if you get a little stuck, you can work your way out. All right, let's give them blueberry, cherry, key lime, and banana cream.
Okay. Now, when I used to eat pie, I would love all those, especially banana cream. We like to go to a restaurant in Atlantic City, Chef Vola's, and their banana cream pie is so famous there. What's it, $15 a slice, Ginny? Something like that.
That's not inexpensive.
Yeah.
So we're going to do.
There's a rumor that Frank Sinatra, Chef Bowles is one of his favorite places, and there's a rumor that when he was buried, a banana cream pie was buried in the casket with him.
I changed the name, Bill, to Chef Vola's banana cream, and since we're getting it from Chef Vola's, let's do an upcharge on that one.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's make it a $3 upcharge, or
no $3 upcharge. How much? You're giving it away.
Okay.
I'd make it a $10 upcharge.
$10. Okay.
Yeah. Make it the same price as we pay at Chef Vola's.
Okay. Now help me remember. Did we price the pies at a? No, I think we're going to price them all. Now.
Oh, we were pricing them all different amounts. Okay. Yeah.
Well, I think we're going to price them all in the modifier section.
Okay.
I think that's correct. So
yeah.
So
I'll let you make up the numbers you want there.
All right, we'll just check. We'll just do the others at $5 and make the Chef Vola's banana cream because that's important from Chef Vola's.
Yeah, I would upcharge the key lime a little bit too. You know.
$7. How's
All
that?
right, perfect. Yeah,
and maybe that comes in from. You have to get the key limes imported.
Oh yeah, it's a whole deal.
Okay, so all right, so we are now saving this. And pie type to the menu items. Which are we going to do this? We're going to do this to desserts, but not to the cake, only to the pies. Okay. Done. And there it worked. Yay.
All right.
Okay, so Bill, I think we are done.
Yeah, we got that menu set up. Good job, everybody.
We did.
Thanks, Jeannie. Great job.
Okay, yeah, we've done our appetizers, our salads, our entrees, and our desserts. We're good to go.
I'm ready for dinner.
Okay. Sign off now?
Please. Be great.